We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 405 part 1. Blah, 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 blah. 405 part 1. Drytron versus Invoked Dogmatika. Here we go. Cyber emergency. Gonna get me Alpha. Yeah. Alpha tribute. Delta at Benton. Delta, tribute, Benton. Activate effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster, draw a card. Benton, it's gonna add Diviner. Diviner effect, send Herald the Arclight, but it also gains 4 levels, so it's now a level 6. Arclight, it's gonna add Ultimateness. Overlay for Fafnir effect, dump Gamma. Medium Drytron, detach from Fafnir, ritual summon from the grave, Benton. Overlay for Beatrice effect, detach Diviner, dump Gamma. Gamma, dump those two. For those two. Gamma, tribute, ultimateness, special summon from the grave, and also special summon from the grave, Alpha. Medium Drytron, decrease the attack by 1000, add back from grave. Medium Drytron activate, detach from Fafnir, ritual summon ultimateness from the grave in defense. 2 light monsters, Hippo Shinigami. All light monsters gain 500, and dark monsters lose 400. I set an imperm, and that's it. Beatrice, on his draw phase, I will detach Benton to dump high rate draw. I was thinking of negating this one, but I'll just let it go through. Terraforming, he's gonna add 1 field spell. Deck to hand. High rate draw. Pop. Set. Okay. He's gonna add Meltdown. Hippo Shinigami when what? Discard, destroy by battle or card effect. Add 1 light. Target 1 light and from your graveyard add it to your hand, that's Eva. And he's gonna Meltdown, Ultimateness, negate, send. Let's say send or discard. Send a fairy, send orange light. It's gonna invoke Alistair effect, chain, Ultimateness, send Eva. Eva. To get sent to the graveyard, you banish. Up to 2 other light fairy monsters and add the same number of level 2 or lower. Banish, banish, add. I'm just gonna Dogmatika Ecclesia, Ultimateness negate, send Diviner. Raigeki, Ultimateness negate, send Diviner. And he just scoop. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Part 2, he wins this one. I should have scooped right away, but I didn't scoop. Lancia draw phase? I thought he was gonna make me go first, I'm not sure. But he went first. Nadir Serpent. It's gonna send Arclight. Arclight's gonna add Is it? What? Add. Okay, never mind. So we send that. It's gonna add that. And then Arclight is gonna add the ritual spell. Dogmatika Calamity. Dogmatika Calamity. What the? Or send one monster from the extra deck to the graveyard whose level equals to the ritual monster. That's special summon monster from the extra deck. Oh, so he's locked in the. He used Titaniclide, but he's locked in the extra decks now. Yeah, he can't even. Yeah, he can't go into Mechaba. Invoker, adding the what the heck is that called again? Invocation. There we go. The end phase, Ash Dragon, special summon. What does the Ash Dragon do again? From your deck. Oh, how's that? Yeah, it was from the deck. And the Ecclesiastic special summon, he adds Fleur de Lis. Gamma, Tribute, Ida 10. And then White Knight of Dogmatika. What the heck is going on here? White Knight of Dogmatika. What does this guy do? Okay, that's special summon from the extra deck. Oh, so he's locked from the extra deck. When activates a card or effect, except during the damage step, you can send one monster. Extra deck, and if you do look at your opponent's extra deck and send one monster from it to the graveyard, this card gains equal attack to half of the combined attack of those monsters sent to the graveyard till the end of the turn. Wow, so he gains both half the attack of Dragoon and Entis. Entis, if it gets sent to the graveyard, is gonna pop a card, but I call by the grave. Normal summon. I couldn't even go to Verte Dragoon because Dragoon's already in there. Nightmare Phoenix. Effect. Discard. Pop. Why do I keep pressing that? Attack. Okay. And Fleur de Lis. Effect. Special summon. Negate. Oh, so you're gonna attack. All Dogmatika gains 500. Attack. Set 2. Gamma, Tribute, Delta, Special Summon. Wow. White Knight, Senentis. Why do I keep doing that? He sent Fafnir, Entis popped Delta. Delta Tribute Gamma, linked off for Karibo. And it was over from here. Well, he was gonna attack, activate Karibo, turn its attack to 0, but then he's still attacking. So Fleur de Lis gains 500. Everybody gets 500, all the Dogmatikas. Acesaves wins. Right here. Game 3. I did the Hippo Shinigami high rate draw combo with this. Emergency Alpha. Alpha, Tribute, Delta. add Ben 10. Delta, tribute to Delta. So I could activate its effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster, draw a card. Okay. Fafnir, effect, dump Zeta. Zeta, tribute Ben 10, add the ritual spell. Ben 10, add Diviner. Normal summon Diviner, send Darklight. Add Ultimateness. Meteor on Drytron. Ritual summon Ida 10, attached from Fafnir. Fafnir. Or Ida 10, add Meteor on Drytron from the deck. If I would have kept Ida 10, I would have had more fairies to negate. Overlay for Beatrice effect. Detach. Send. Eva. Banish. Add those two. Meteor on Drytron. Decrease attack by 1000. Add back from grave. Activate it. Ultimateness detached from Fafnir. Those two for Hippo Shinnigan. Set called by. And my turn. This draw phase, I will detach Ida 10 to dump Irate Draw. He's gonna kaiju me. Oh no! Irate Draw. Pop. Set. Effect. Add. Kaiju. Terraforming. Meltdown. Meltdown will add Alistair. Alistair effect. Chain. Negate. Sending Eva. Eva. Banish. Those two. To add Herald and Diviner. It's gonna attack, okay. It's gonna kaiju me. It's 3 kaijus right there. 3 Gamma Seals. It's gonna set 2 and pass. Rivalry of Warlords. Each player can only control one type of monster. Wow. Direct attack for 22. I can't really do anything because of Rivalry of Warlords. Aqua. He's an Aqua. Called by the Grave Invocation. He's going to use Alistair for Mechaba. But oh, the crossout designator comes in clutch. Declaring called by from his deck, so it just banishes that. Now this is now negated with crossout designator. Wow. Going through Mechaba, Invocation, recycle itself and add the banished Alistair. He did not attack because he knew if he would have attacked, I would have did something. I just attacked. I need to get rid of him because he's an Aqua and I can only control one type. Each player. Main phase 2. Delta Tribute Alpha. Activate effect. Reveal a ritual spell or monster. Draw a card. Meteor on Drytron. Decrease by attack by 1000. Add back from grave. Alpha Tribute Draconids. And he's gonna try to negate it. Mechaba discarding Alistair by Chainlink 3, negate with orange light, and I send Diviner, negate and destroy Mechaba. Alpha effect, add Natasha. Overlay for Fafnir, Fafnir effect, dump Gamma. Gamma, tribute Natasha. special summon itself and Alpha. Medium Drytron. For Draconids, I did one from Fafnir and then Gamma. Okay. That's it. He's going to draw. I will banish. What is that here? 1 and 2. Both have 2000 attack. It says right here. Draconids. During your opponent's turn, quick effect, you can banish monsters from your graveyard. His combined attack equals exactly 2000. 4000. Target one card on your opponent. Your opponent controls for every 2000 attack on the field. Sent to the graveyard. So I did 4. So 1, 2. 2000 per card. I'm just going to Fleur-de-Lis, negate with Herald of Orange Light. Sending Diviner. And it's over from here. What's that? Delta, Tribute Alpha. Activate effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster. Draw a card. Medium Drytron, decrease attack by 1000, add back. Activate it. Detach from Fafnir. Ritual summon Ben 10 from the grave. Gamma, tribute, Ben 10. Special summon, Delta. Ben 10 if it gets tributed at a fairy. Like fairy? Yeah. Ansia. 2 non-linked monsters linked off for IP Masquerena. 3+ effect monsters, Boral Sword. Medium Drytron. Use Zeta from hand to ritual summon Natasha from grave. Natasha effect, target a monster, gain half the attack. Gain life points half to half its attack. Attack, and then Boral Sword, switch to defense. High rate draw, like it was already over. This is unnecessary. Pop 2, draw 1. Pop 2 cards, and pop 2 or more. Draw 1 card for each 2 destroyed. Boral Sword finish him. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Does he have a deck? Yes, he does. Acesaves 405. I'm just gonna try to finish it as soon as possible because explaining it is that took a while. We were at 1160, 1178. Let's check out his deck. 405. There we go. It's a 46 card deck. Honest. Triple crossout designator. Not bad. We're at 259, still at 259. Comment, share, like if you sub it, if you liked it. See you guys.